Prezi has 3 easy ways for you to create a video. Open the app on either Mac or Windows, then select one of the following options. Click Create New Video to use our quick record editor. In a few clicks, you can choose a template, add some text and an image to your frame, or even a slide from an existing PowerPoint deck. Then, add as many frames as you need to create your video. If you've already got content, like a PowerPoint deck, click Import PowerPoint. Then, find the .ppt or .pptx file you want to use and click Open. Choose to use some of your slides or even all of them. And then choose a template, add some text, and you can even swap any slide for another slide or a different image. Lastly, if you already have a presentation that you created with Prezi Present, click Import from Prezi to open it into Prezi Video app. And there you go. Try one of these methods to create a video in Prezi.